Hey guys, and welcome to this 1-minute Windows tutorial. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fully disable Cortana from your computer. You need to just download this compressed file and follow the easy steps. Download link in the description below. Extract it. You will get 3 files. Go to UNINSTALL Cortana and run it as administrator. Everything okay, everything successfully done. Good. Cortana should be uninstalled. Please reboot Windows 10. Hit enter guys and go to restart your computer. After restarting done, go to your task manager. Search for Cortana and check services. Cortana service should be interrupted and Cortana application should be disabled. Done. That's it guys, I got more quick helpful tutorials in my channel. I hope you learned something new from this. Thanks for watching.